Being in a garden in a campus environment like this, it's actually very healing to be surrounded by greenery and plants and the hills, make this garden a tranquil place for the students. I'm a garden designer, and I've been designing and building gardens in the Berkeley, San Francisco area for the last 28 years. This is a pretty unique project that we're working on now. We took on this project as a restoration project. The garden was built 90 years ago. It's considered an architectural treasure. There's about 6 to 10 acres of garden space on these two estates, which are now part of Zaytuna College. Over the first couple months, it became apparent that we needed to make spaces for the students to enjoy, and places for them to study, and places for teachers to have a lecture outdoors in the natural environment. We built benches in a courtyard and patios. We've been doing a lot of this restoration work, but it's really nice to see the students now using it and enjoying it. We're working on this project in a multitude of ways. A lot of the plants that we choose are drought tolerant, fire resistant plants that will thrive in this sort of very dry California climate. The students, seeing how happy they are, and everybody seems to appreciate everything we're doing. The spiritual aspect of being on a college campus with people who are praying and learning, the tranquility and the peace and the overall environment is really unique.